Hi, my name is Ian Berkery. I'm a Regional Sales Manager for OPSWAT, covering Australia and New Zealand and everything government related. I'm here today to speak to you about OPSWAT and how we protect the world's critical infrastructure using our dedicated platform. So we do both OT and IT, and I've got a bit of an example and an overview here of how we can go through this. So if we look here, which is it's a mock-up of an OT environment. So if we take it from the top, we've got our Neuralyzer solution. So what a Neuralyzer does, it's basically an asset management a product that will give you that full visibility into the OT environment, even right down as simple as country of origin. So you've got to make sure that there's nothing that's coming from a country that shouldn't be coming from, and that can compromise your environment. Next thing then is our OT Fuse, which is our last line of defense for your operational systems. After that, then we have got our Drive and our Vault. So our Vault is basically our staging area. So when you're bringing files, and whether it be updates or whatnot, into your environment, we can sanitize them there using our multi-scan solution. We also then have what we call as our Drive solution. So if you're bringing USBs in and they haven't been scanned before, it's kind of a last line of defense. We can use our multi-scanning technology to sanitize that and make sure there's nothing that inside on those USBs that can compromise the environment. So next part of our portfolio and our platform basically is our cross-domain solution. So what we have here is our NetWalls, which, you know, it's a next-gen data diode that it has the ability, it's unidirectional basically, so it has the ability to seamlessly flow information in and out, while also we can put our meta access solution on top of it, so you can actually do the sanitization through it. Okay. So what we have here is our Kiosk technology, right? And Kiosk is fantastic for a simple reason is we've got the ability to look and sanitize basically all removable media, whether it's USB, whether it's hard drives, whether it's CDs. We can actually even do floppy disks if needs be. We do our multi-scanning technology. We can also do DLP. We can do CDR on it. So what it means, so basically a good example is you've got a contractor going out on site. They're collecting information. They've got it on their hard drive. It needs to be brought back into the environment, right? So we can actually plug that in. We'll do the sanitization. We'll rip out all known malicious information, so nothing then will flow through. So what we have here in the top is we've got our Drive solution, and Drive is scanning the USB, and basically in this instance here, it's actually just checking for country of origin. Next is we have our Core and ICAP. A very, very good use case for our Core and ICAP solution was, just say for instance that you're in the banking industry, and you're in a mortgage department, and someone's uploading constantly files into your organization. You don't know what's embedded inside of those files. So what we can do is, using our deep CDR technology as a content disarm and reconstruct, is we'll strip out everything malicious inside in there. We'd bring out all the any bad URLs. We've even got the ability to take so say for instance it comes in as a Word document, we'll take everything out and we can reformat that and put it back into the organization as a PDF, so to make double sure. Email, as we all know, it's still the biggest source for all intrusion into any organization out there is email. So we've now got our email security solution that we can also then make sure that we strip everything out of the emails that are coming in, so nothing has got the opportunity to get inside. Then of course our meta access, which is our platform that everything runs off, which is our bread and butter. And then last but not least is we have our secure storage, which is as was basically said, it's a secure storage environment where files can be uploaded. We can do a multi-scanning. We can do a deep CDR on it, and before it actually goes in or even goes out of the organization. Perfect if customers are using cloud-based solution and they want to bring information in and out. Thank you for listening to me today. I really appreciate your time and effort. Please do reach out to anyone here in the Australian team if there is more information that you'd like to know about our platform and the extended portfolio. Stay safe. Remember, trust no file and trust no device.